Back with another video, Average Joe. If you have watched other of my videos, you see that I switch out cars a lot. I just get bored. And so anyway, I picked up this new Land Rover Discovery. It's 2018 model. And we are going to put in some new mats. I've got some TuxMats from a Canadian company. Now this one did come with all-weather mats, but these TuxMats are supposed to kind of cover more of the well in the front, but specifically in the back where our kids are. It's hard to see, but it's going to kind of cover that whole area in there, over the hump and everything. So I'm gonna open up the box, put them in, and give you my thoughts. All right, just to give you an idea of what the coverage of the original weather mats were like, that's what the coverage is like. Here's the TuxMat. This is for the rear. And so you can see the comparison to the rear there. The rear and then the front. So quite a bit of coverage. Comes with many clips and a couple, instructional sheets here and some Velcro. These little round things are Velcro, and these are the clips that should you need to use them on the side. So we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna start with the driver's side. So the instructions call to move the seat back and up as much as you can, and you can see that there's already these little hooks that were there for the original mats, but this new piece has these little indentations here to go over those. And so this is going to be where you're going to actually put in another piece. It's called a retention something. Anyway, you're going to mark it. Once you get it in, mark it, and then slide this into the carpet, and then this piece will turn to lock it in place. So I'll show you that in a second. All right, so I've put it in here, and you can see it goes well up to the side here. And I put a clip in underneath to kind of hold it in, to just kind of show you how that works as it comes out. You can just slide it underneath the plastic. That retention thing is this little piece here. And so underneath, you just slide it into the carpet like that. And again, you can see those other ones are being covered by these notches, but that little retention piece goes in, then you turn it to lock it. So turn it to lock it and hold it in place, and it'll come up. But you're gonna wanna put some clips around these other pieces just to make sure it holds in place a little better. You do that. Come back. All right, so I went ahead and put a couple of clips here, and then you can just pop it down in there. At least on this side, you can pop it in there, and then this one, if it'll go, if not, I may scooch it along or something. But put another clip right here, another one right here, and then another one right here where the foot goes. So that's pretty snug. It's pretty good in there, and I'll just figure out this last little clip here. But that's the driver's side. All right, so same idea here. Here's the passenger side. And you can see that, these things cover all the way over to here, all the way up to the top, all the way to the sides, way up to the, I'm covering them, way up to the side right here. Great. And pretty good here. So I'm gonna move this seat back and raise it up, but look at the coverage compared to what you normally have. And so these are supposed to be weatherproof and everything. So again, these have these little holes right here to compensate for these that are already there. So I'm gonna clip this one in, and then I'll get working on the back part. So I thought I'd get a little more light in here to show you like how far back these go. Up underneath there, way up underneath that, in between the little slits right in here, right there. Pretty good coverage. So we'll clip it all down and just show you. There's great coverage, especially when you got kids back here. And it'll cover all that stuff. All right, just a quick follow up, and these are nice and pretty sturdy. It feels like a kind of a mix between leather and something else, but it's supposed to be waterproof. But it fits real well. Again, all the way up the side there. Matches all the way up to the plastic, which is amazing. And then right in here, I put a little clip here, and it kind of holds it all pretty together. So if you spilled something in here, you have a pretty good barrier, especially as you can see with the car seats. We have 2 kids, and get a little closer here, and you can see that this is covering all the way up underneath there. Whole wheel well, all the way, goes all the way back behind this part too. So we're gonna try it out in the real world, and if I have any more comments or anything, I'll post another video. All right, but this is the TuxMat. TuxMat, it's a Canadian company, and so far so good. All right, take care.